Hey friends, it's Natalie. So I'm going to kind of go through a few of these pages that I have to complete. So for the weekly view of the Hobonichi, I tend to try, I'm going to loosely say that, I try to do this throughout the week. It makes it so much easier, but somehow I tend to always forget about these weekly pages. I love how they look when they're done, but for some reason I just am too busy to complete them as I should do through the week. So here we are once again on a Sunday, just really trying to finish this weekly spread. So I kind of just use things that are around my desk. And again, this is a new form or layout for me. So used to doing vertical versus horizontal. So hopefully I get used to it because I want to have more of these videos on YouTube and just having more little chat with me, or you can follow along or whatever you would like to do. So I'm just going to keep publishing or pushing them out there. So a lot of these I will end up finding a photograph or photographs for the week, and then I will print them out. I'm printing them out on like Avery matte sticker paper. So I'm also using another app called Print to Size so that I can actually print on a 4x6 piece of paper, because I have cut these pieces down to 4x6 so that I have them like ready to go, I guess you could say. And then the extra pieces, because there's usually like two smaller pieces, I'll use that and I will end up putting like, what's it called? Like the stamps, I'll end up stamping on them. So I just have a collection of those going. Maybe I can make them into like small 3x5 cards. I don't know. I'll have to test it out. So I'm just finding all the photos or anything that I want to print out on here and just kind of laying them down. Now you can use probably Canva to do this, or you can probably use Procreate or Photoshop, any type of program that you can like collage, I guess you could say, photographs on. Use that. I'm just comfortable using that, so, or that little app, so we're just gonna go with it. Other than that, it's just me piecemealing and trying to finish out the page. I will end up pasting all this down and then writing, and then that ends up being it for me doing it. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna kind of like back off and like just have a little music behind this while I work and have crafty noises and ASMR. So you could just have this kind of in the background going. If you guys like that, let me know, but I'll always kind of hop in here in the beginning to try and do a little overview of what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Make sure to subscribe. Wow, I cannot talk. I don't know how these people do it so easily. Please subscribe and like my video. I wanted to say comment. That's not right either. All right, I have to sign off before I mess this recording up any more than I already am. Talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.